Welcome back, everyone, to another video here at Alexis Hidalgo Tech. Today, we're doing the unboxing and initial setup of the Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 Pro earbuds. I picked these up during Amazon Prime Day, bundled with a 25-watt super-fast charger for just 129 euros. At launch, they retailed for 249 euros without the charger, which represents a massive 48.19% price drop as of today. I already have my first impressions, and I'm really digging the color. It actually reminds me of the Tesla Cybertruck. Plus, the translucent lid lets you see the design of the earbuds right away. Inside the box, we find our USB-C cable in the user manuals. Here is our charging case with the earbuds inside. On the front, we can see the status LED indicating the current battery level and pairing state of the case. On the bottom, there's the pairing button and the USB Type-C charging port. Additionally, the bottom of the case is flat, so you can stand it upright on any surface without it getting too scratched up. It does have a very plastic look and feel, so it doesn't feel quite as premium as the AirPods Pro. When you open them up, you can see color-coded indicators inside the case that match corresponding markers on each of the buds, making it easy to know which bud goes where. Taking a closer look at the buds, they feature a proximity sensor, along with 2 microphones for active noise cancellation in transparency mode. The stem also sports a distinct triangular design. Right now, I'm missing the alternative ear tips, which I didn't see when I pulled out the accessories. Here they are. They only include 2 additional sizes, with the medium pair pre-installed. Let's swap them out so you can see how not to do it and then how it's actually done. This is definitely the wrong way to do it. A lot of people use their fingernails to pry the ear tips off, which is a bad idea because this exact thing can happen to you. By the second one, I figured out the proper technique. The correct way is to grip the ear tip firmly and wiggle it from side to side with a bit of force until it pops off. This is due to the specific locking mechanism design of these small components. To set them up, follow these steps. Open the charging case near your Samsung phone. They will pop up on your screen. Tap Connect. It will automatically prompt you to update the Galaxy Wearable app. Remember, this phone launched in 2025, so we've already had at least 2 major updates since then. Once the installation finishes, accept the terms and conditions, grant all the requested system permissions. This screen explains how adaptive noise control works. This section notes that you can customize the earbud volume depending on the specific app you are using. Tap Next, and let's verify everything is working properly. Once inside the settings, the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro will appear. Select them to view all options and features. Here you can monitor the battery status of both the buds and the case, as well as toggle between the different modes. Scroll down and we can see there's a firmware update pending, so let's update them now. Make sure to keep the case open with both earbuds kept inside until the installation completes. Here we see options like 360 audio, which is Samsung's equivalent to Apple's spatial audio. Let's give it a quick test now. When adjusting the volume up or down, a dedicated Buds icon appears on screen. A nice little UI touch. The audio quality is undeniably incredible. Really solid. When I take them off, the music pauses, and when I put them back in, playback resumes, which was a feature missing from older Samsung earbud models. I can still cycle through modes even with only one earbud in. Here is one of the heavily advertised features: voice detect and siren detection. This menu configures the touch controls for each earbud when you pinch or press them. Here you can enable or disable the blade lights on the buds, choosing between a fade effect, solid on, or blinking pattern. I'm going to put these earbuds through a full review and will share my final thoughts soon. If you enjoyed the video, drop a like, share it if you think it could help someone else out, and don't forget to subscribe for more content just like this. See you next time.